Welcome to the WP Smart Contracts Affiliate Program tutorial. In this step-by-step video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and utilizing the WP Smart Contracts Affiliate Program to maximize your revenue potential. First, ensure that you have a fully functional WordPress site. Then, click on Plugins, Add New from the WordPress dashboard. Search for WP Smart Contracts. Click Install, and then Activate to enable the plugin. After activation, a setup screen will appear, guiding you through the configuration process. The setup screen will prompt you to configure your site's appearance. Choose the skin that best suits your needs, and click Next to proceed. Then, you'll be asked to enable the Launcher and Affiliate program. Simply click on the checkbox provided and proceed to the next step. To receive commissions, you need to set up your wallets. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your wallet settings. Make sure to read the terms of service carefully. If you agree to the terms, click on the checkbox to accept them. Optionally, you can configure NFT and Block Explorer settings. Simply follow the instructions on the screen to set them up according to your preferences. Once you've completed the setup, head to the WP Smart Contracts dashboard. Here, you'll find your unique affiliate link, which you can use to promote your site. By doing so, you'll earn an impressive 40% commission on the revenue generated through your referrals when they deploy smart contracts on your site. The dashboard also allows you to set up wallets for each supported network, making it seamless to receive your earnings. Additionally, you can conveniently track your affiliate earnings for each network. To enhance your marketing efforts, you'll have access to a range of promotional banners and materials that you can use to attract potential customers. And that's it. With the WP Smart Contracts Affiliate Program, you can unlock your revenue potential and take advantage of the exciting world of smart contracts. Start earning today and empower your revenue with WP Smart Contracts Affiliate Program.